Are your thoughts turning into a disaster movie? If so, I can sympathize with you because that used to happen to me all day long until I figured out how to change that movie channel. I am a certified spiritual life coach, and I've helped hundreds of women 50 and over to change their channels too. And I'd like to show you how you can change your movie channel in a short guided meditation today. So what happens is when you have that movie channel running, your mind is future tripping, or some people call it the what if spiraling downward. And it projects into the future and it picks up a negative thought. And if you keep thinking that same negative thought over and over again, then that thought turns to worry. And if your mind keeps worrying and worrying and worrying over and over again, then that turns into a negative limiting belief. And your mind is trying to protect you. But what's actually happening, there's no danger there to be protected from. There's no tiger ready to pounce on you. What it does is, by doing this, it is increasing your stress level. It's lowering the amount of energy you have available to you. And it's just robbing you of the joy of life. So if you like where I'm going with this, you'll probably love the free audio mini course that I've created. It has a 3-minute meditation that you can use in the morning when you get up and at night before you go to bed. It has a 1-minute reset that you can use all throughout the day. It's great when you're changing tasks, leaving work and going home, meeting with your family, things like that. And then there are also 15 journal prompts that you can use when you have more time to just settle down and do some reflection. So if you'd like access to that, just comment calm below the video here, and I'd be glad to send you the link. So I'd like to guide you through this meditation. It's going to be an open eye meditation, a little bit different from what we normally do. And it is going to be a nose breathing that we're going to be doing. That is what can help you be the calmest, just to get calm, to stay calm, to breathe in and feel the air going through your nostrils as it goes in, and then feel it going out through your nostrils. And try to make the in-breath the same as the out-breath, same length. So take a deep breath and release it. You can smooth out any tension, relax your shoulders, smooth out any tension in your neck or across your forehead or in your jaws. And just breathe in again. And breathe out. And then breathe in again. And breathe out. Now I'd like you to look around wherever you are and just name one thing that you can see. And then name one thing that you can hear. And then name one thing, one sensation that you can feel in your body, not something that you felt a bit earlier today, not something that you think you might be feeling later, but something that you can sense right now in your body. So what you've just told your mind is that you've just switched that channel of that disaster movie. You are staying present and you're not allowing it to bring you into that future tripping. So if you're feeling calm and more peaceful, please like this video to let me know what kind of content you'd like to hear. If you'd like access to that audio mini course, just comment calm below. And if you'd like to go a little bit deeper with how to let go, I've created another video that you can access right here.